Hello friends, welcome to our channel Paras Academy. I am Professor कल्पेश नवलखा और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक प्रूव दैट सम। दोस्तों 10th स्टैंडर्ड वेदर इट इज एसएससी, आईसीएसई और सीबीएसई ये टॉपिक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये टॉपिक डिफिकल्ट लगता है। इट्स लाइक अ नाइटमेयर फॉर देम और एग्जाम में जब ये 3 to 4 मार्क्स के लिए आता है तो दे आर नॉट एबल टू अटेंड। बट आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी ट्रिक्स बताने वाला हूं जिसकी हेल्प से आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के प्रूव दैट सम्स कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों मैं ट्रिक्स तो बता दूंगा बट साथ ही साथ आपको इसका और प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, तभी आप ऐसे टाइप के सम्स को मास्टरी कर सकते हैं। तो आइए दोस्तों वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। बट वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि मैथ से रिलेटेड ऐसे ही टॉपिक आपको मिलते रहे। दोस्तों सबसे पहले हम लोग कुछ फॉर्मूलाज देखेंगे। ये फॉर्मूला जो हम लोग ट्रिक यूज करने वाले हैं उसमें ये फॉर्मूले बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। तो आइए दोस्तों पहले कुछ फॉर्मूला का लिस्ट बना दें। सबसे पहले हम लोग फॉर्मूले के लिस्ट जो लिस्ट बनाएंगे वो है रिलेशन बिटवीन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज। दोस्तों वी नो दैट देयर आर 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज: साइन, कॉस, टेन, कॉसेक, सेक एंड टेन। और इन सब का आपस में एक रिलेशन है जिसके फॉर्मूलेज हम लोग अभी लिखने वाले हैं। दोस्तों ये फॉर्मूला याद करने का भी एक तरीका है जिसके लिए मैं एक अलग से जब ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक का बेसिक कंसेप्ट का हम लोग वीडियो बनाएंगे तभी हम लोग ये सम्स, ये फॉर्मूलाज को कैसे याद करना है उसका शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स बताऊंगा। तो आइए दोस्तों सबसे पहले जो इंपॉर्टेंट कुछ रिलेशंस वाले फॉर्मूलेज है उसको लिस्ट डाउन कर देते हैं। सबसे पहला है साइन थीटा is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or I can say cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, the second formula is cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or I can say sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. The third formula will be tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or I can say cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Friends, always remember sin and cos, they are reciprocal relation. Similarly cos and sec and tan and cot, these are the 6 ratios what we have. Then the next formula is related to tan, sin and cos. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Friends, this theta is nothing but an angle. It can be written as A, B, C or some values like theta. So don't get confused. अगर A है तो हम लोग A यूज करेंगे, थीटा है तो थीटा यूज करेंगे। Similarly, the next formula is cot theta, which is definitely the reciprocal of this. So just reverse this. It will be cos theta upon sin theta. So these are the formulas of relation between the trigonometric ratios. Now let's move to the second types of formulas, that are trigonometric identities. Friends, these formulas जो अभी मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, these are very important and many of the questions we are going to use these formulas. So this is trigonometric identities. The first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. फ्रेंड्स ये फॉर्मूला लर्न करने के लिए भी ट्रिक है, जो मैंने बोला है कि फॉर्मूला वाला एक अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें मैं आपको सभी शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स सिखाऊंगा कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के फॉर्मूलाज कैसे याद करते हैं. Now let's talk about this formula. This is the base formula which we can write in different ways also. So we can also write this as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or I can say cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So friends, while we doing prove that sum, sometimes we need this type of formula also, but this is the base formula which you can rearrange the terms and you can get the new formulas. Next is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. The same formula we can write in two different ways. One is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And same way I can say that tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. And then the third formula, which is the relation between cosec and cot. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, which again we can write in two different ways. The first way will be cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or I can say cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta minus 1. Friends, these are three important formula and these are other variant which we can use. So अगर आप ये तीन फॉर्मूला भी याद कर लो, so बाकी दोनों ये फॉर्मूला जो है वो हम लोग को ऑटोमेटिकली आ सकता है. Now let's move to the third type of formulas. Friends, next set of formulas are algebraic expansion. Friends, algebraic expansions हम लोगों ने 8th स्टैंडर्ड में सीखे हुए हैं, but these are very important while solving proof that sums in trigonometry. So I am just list down all the possible formulas which we require. सबसे पहला फॉर्मूला है a plus b the whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one is a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third formula is a square minus b square, and this is very important, and we know that this is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Friends, these are the three formulas which is related to the square terms. Now we will move to the cubic terms. Then first will be a plus b the whole cube. Now how to remember this type of formula or this expansion? सबसे पहले a cube, then you have the number 3, then reduce the power of a, now it will be a square, and take b. Now next term, again take 3, reduce the power of a and increase the power of b, and at the end the coefficient will be 1 and the power of b will be increases to 3. As you can see, the power of a is decreasing as we move from left to right, whereas power of b is increasing as we move from left to right. So like this way you can remember, and coefficient is very simple, 1 3 3 1. Now let's talk about the next formula, a minus b the whole cube. Now this is again very simple. The whole terms will be the same, only the sign will change. So it will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Next formula will be a cube plus b cube. Guys, please remember this is a plus b the whole cube and this is a cube plus b cube. And formula for this will be a plus b in one bracket and in other bracket it will be a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, for a cube minus b cube, the first bracket will consist of a minus b and the second will contain a square plus ab plus b square. As you can see, if we have plus sign in the formula, then your first bracket will consist of plus sign and here you will get the negative sign. And if you have negative sign, then take plus as minus and here you will have the positive sign. Now friends, let's see the tricks. Friends, मैं आपको 3 ट्रिक्स सिखाने वाला हूं जो ट्रिक्स आप यूज करके ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक प्रूफ दैट सम्स कर सकते हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहला जो ट्रिक है वो है लुक फॉर स्क्वायर टर्म्स. फ्रेंड्स, आपका जो भी सम होगा उसमें 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. वी हैव टू टेक एदर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड एंड देन ट्राई टू लुक फॉर स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर मीन्स ऑब्वियसली वॉट एवर टर्म्स जिसका डिग्री 2 हो. वाई वी लुक फॉर स्क्वायर टर्म्स? बिकॉज देन वी कैन यूज आइडेंटिटीज. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज वी कैन यूज. आपको बताइए हमारे 3 फॉर्मूला थे. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा. And the third one is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Friends, whenever you have the square term, try to thought of this 3 identities formula. If these 3 identities formulas are applicable, then use it. जिससे आपका ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक का जो प्रूव दैट सम का जो भी पार्ट है, whether लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, वो थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा. So that is the first trick. Second trick will be says that convert the terms into sine and cos. So second trick is convert terms into sine and cos. फ्रेंड्स, बहुत सारे सम्स में होगा जहां पे हम लोग फर्स्ट जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज है वो यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. देन ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट द टर्म्स इनटू साइन एंड कॉस एंड देन ये दोनों करने के बाद थर्ड स्टेप विल बी यूज बेसिक मैथ्स. इन मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस you have to use some basic maths, like you have to divide or multiply by some factors, or you have to do some addition or subtraction, or you can have to do rationalization, cross multiplication, or we can say LCM. So friends, the third step to solve your trigonometric proof that sums is use some basic maths. Yes, one more, your algebraic expansion. Next will be take some common terms, take common out. So ये जो भी mathematical things we do in our normal maths, here in the trigonometric also we can use these basic mathematics steps to simplify our proof that sum either left hand side or right hand side. So guys, Let me remind or let me revise all the three steps. First steps, look for the square terms and use trigonometric identities. Second, convert the terms into sine and cos. And third term, use basic maths. These are the three basic tricks which you can use while proving the sums. Now let's move to the sums. तो सबसे पहले फ्रेंड्स हम लोग पहले थोड़े इजी सम्स लेंगे so that you can understand that how to use this tricks, and then we will take some difficult sums. So your first sum will be sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. फ्रेंड्स, हमारे यहाँ पे सबसे पहले एक प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि विच साइड वी शुड टेक, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड. तो उसके लिए भी एक हिंट दे रहा हूं. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू टेक द कॉम्प्लेक्स टर्म्स. कॉम्प्लेक्स मतलब जिसमें टर्म्स ज़्यादा हो, प्लस माइनस ये आपके साइन ज़्यादा हो या कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ हो, तो वो चीज़ पहले लो. एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू सिंप्लीफाई एंड वी विल take that part on the other side. That is, suppose I take here left hand side and I will try to convert into right hand side. So let's take left hand side. Sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Friend, we have the square terms, but can I use this? Not be possible. Then I need to convert sine into cos. It's already into sine into cos. Then what can be the step? What we can do? Basically, do the cross multiplication. So this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta. So we use the third step, that basic maths what we have used over here. We have done the cross multiplication. Now we can see the square terms and now we can use the trigonometric identities. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And now we know that 1 upon cos, trigonometric relationship, we have used the formulas and we know that 1 upon cos is nothing but sec theta. And this is our RHS, hence proved. Right friends, very easy. So you just need to try to understand that which step should I use, what should I do. So use these three basic methods, basic tricks, and try to solve this. You can easily get your answer. As I told you, you need a lot of practice. Let's move to the second question. Now friends, let's take the second question. The second question says that you have to prove that cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now friends, as you can see, the left hand side is more complicated. So we will take left hand side first. So it will be cos square theta plus cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now friends, as the rule says, we have to look for the square terms and both are the square terms, and we know that this square term is something special because this is the formula of identities formula, trigonometric identities, and we know that 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. So we have converted 1 plus tan square theta into sec square theta, and we know one more property, that sec square theta is reciprocal of cos square theta. Sec is opposite of cos, so this will be 1 upon cos square theta. And now we can cancel cos square theta. So we get 1, which is your RHS. So as you have seen, friends, once you know the basic concept, you know the tricks, you know the formula, then it will be very easy to solve. We still will solve some more questions, so you will get good amount of understanding that how to use the tricks. Let's move to the next question. फ्रेंड्स, मैं बार बार रिपीट करूंगा, बट प्लीज डू द प्रैक्टिस. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, the more will your concept get clear. The third question says cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Friends, we need to prove this, that cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Now if you can see, both left hand side and right hand side both have the equal number of terms. So which part we should take, left hand side or right hand side? So we will try to take left hand side. You can take anyone. In this question it will not matter at all. So we will take left hand side. It will be cot square theta minus tan square theta. Now we know that cot square theta as well as tan square theta we can convert into cosec and sec by using trigonometric identities. So what will be the formula for cot square theta? It will be cosec square theta minus 1. And then for tan square theta it will be sec square theta minus 1. Friends, as the logic says, look for the square terms. Now both are the square terms and we know that for both of this we have the formulas. Now we can open the bracket. So it will be cosec square theta minus 1 minus sec square theta, minus minus get plus sign, and minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So we will get cosec square theta minus sec square theta, and this is your right hand side. So it's very simple. Since we have the square terms, so we will use the first trick. We will try to use trigonometric identities, and if it is possible we will apply that. Now let's do the next question. Fourth questions we will take. The question says, prove that tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Friends, again we can take either left hand side or right hand side. We will take left hand side. You can start with anything. So here we will take left hand side, tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now friends, as I said that we can look for the square terms. Here we can use tan square theta and we can convert into sec. But what about tan raised to 4 theta? So if you see carefully, in both this term tan square theta is common. So we can take tan square theta common. So basically here we are using the third trick, basic maths. So in both the terms, since tan square theta is common, I take this common out. What left is tan square theta, and this tan square theta is already come out, so it will be 1. Now in both this square term we can use trigonometric identities. For tan square theta I can write this as sec square theta minus 1, and for tan square theta plus 1 it will be sec square theta. Now I multiply this sec square theta with this bracket and I will get sec square theta into sec square theta will be sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta, and we get right hand side. वेरी इजी फ्रेंड्स। शायद आपके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, सर दिस वी कैन टेक एज ए tan स्क्वायर थीटा का स्क्वायर एंड देन वी कैन टेक sec square theta minus 1. We can do that, but it will be little bit lengthy. So you can think about all the three rules together, that what we should do, whether we should we use the identity trigonometric identities, or we can take something common. So here, by taking out common, it is very easy. Let's do one more sum. Let's move to the next question. Guys, I have taken this question from different books, from SSC, CBSE and ICSE. So you can refer to your textbook, you can do the practice. I'm going to solve more questions. For that I will make one more video, a part 2 video of this video, where we will solve simply trigonometric questions from different books, some difficult questions. So here the question says that prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. As per the trick, this is the square terms, so we can use the trigonometric identities. But will this solve my purpose? If I take left hand side, suppose this will be sec square theta plus cosec square theta. We can write sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta as 1 plus cot square theta. But then it will be converted into tan and cot. Whereas in the right hand side, I want sec square theta and cosec square theta. So we will use the second trick. We will convert, since if I am not getting anything, I will convert everything into sine and cos. So here sec square theta is nothing but 1 upon cos square theta, whereas cosec square theta is nothing but 1 upon sine square theta. After converting into sine and cos, we will use our third trick or third rule. We will do the cross multiplication. So it will be sine square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sine square theta. Now friends, as you can see here, we can easily use the trigonometric identities, and I know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So I will get 1 upon cos square theta into sine square theta. Here I will write the reason, because I know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And then now I again convert into sec and cos, and we know that 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sine square theta, and we know that this can be converted into sec square theta and cosec square theta. And this is your right hand side. फ्रेंड्स, हर सम को वीडियो को स्टॉप करके आप प्लीज इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, इसका प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. द मोर यू विल प्रैक्टिस, द मोर द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक प्रूफ दैट सम्स यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, एंड यू कैन always remember those 3 tricks. By using those 3 tricks, you can easily solve any of the questions of trigonometric proof that sums. फ्रेंड्स, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक प्रूफ दैट के लिए हम एक और वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसमें हम लोग और सम्स करेंगे, जो प्योरली सम्स रहेंगे फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बुक्स ऑफ एसएससी, सीबीएसई एंड आईसीएसई. सो दोस्तों, प्लीज़ हमें बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए, क्योंकि 10th से रिलेटेड ऐसे ही और टॉपिक्स अब हम उसके वीडियोस बनाने वाले हैं. तो मिलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.